Welcome to the Nth Guides. Today we have another question from Matthew Lang, who's my favorite question asker it seems right now. Really, he sent me an email with 7 questions in them. So his question today that we're going to address is web frameworks, Bootstrap or Foundation, etc. Custom or built site. What is the benefits and drawbacks of each of them? I hate frameworks. I just hate them. You get all this littered HTML stuff like span 5, so you span this 5-column stuff, like with even the 960 grid system. 960 grid is awesome for a Photoshop template, but when you get into everything else, it's not good. Yes, I suppose coming at it from a developer's perspective makes it easy. You work with a designer and you know it doesn't quite cover all the screen sizes, so you got to go back to them and keep going back to them and keep going back to them. As a rapid prototyping tool, I think they're awesome. Other than that, I don't like them at all. In many ways, they just feel like crutches to me. They're not. I have a real struggle thinking that working on frameworks like Bootstrap or Foundation is real craftsmanship. I think it's using this helper that you can use and then so you can do the rest of it. Now that may be because I'm coming from a design perspective, so I think about a front end code a lot, and I'm only in the last 8 months to a year really working as a full developer and doing less and less design. Whereas the developer would say, hey, it lets me get all this other little stuff out of the way, and then I don't have to worry about the front end stuff so much because I have this framework that's doing it for me, and I can actually really concentrate and put my craftsmanship onto the back end, and that's fine, I suppose. I just don't like them. I guess I'm going to talk to a client later today about a project, and maybe they'll even listen to this and they'll find out that I don't like it. He wants me to work with Zurb, and I've been kind of sort of interested in getting back to some Rails front end work, but honestly, the more I look at it and the more I look at all these frameworks that people want me to use to work with them, I just don't actually know that I'm interested. I'm not sure that that's really what I want to do because I really hate them.